Welcome to my video of our tour of Tzfat. Our guide for the day was Rabbi Etienne Julius, a well-known Israel tour guide. We spent 2 days with Etienne, traveling with him on a private tour from Jerusalem to important sites on the West Bank and the Galilee region. The other couple in this video are Laurie's cousin Joe and his girlfriend Sigal, who live in northern Israel. Tzfat is located near the Sea of Galilee at an elevation of almost 3,000 feet above sea level, making it the highest city in Israel. It has a long history dating back to Roman times. It was first mentioned by Josephus, a Roman Jewish historian. In the 1500s, Tzfat became known as a center for wool and textile production and for the mystical Kabballah movement. It became known as one of the 4 holy cities of Judaism. This is the Ashkenazi synagogue. It was destroyed in the earthquake of 1837, and its reconstruction was completed in 1857. This is the candle shop next to the synagogue. It's a popular tourist spot. So what is Kabbalah? Well, I found this definition on the internet. Often referred to as the soul of the Torah, the Kabbalah is an ancient Jewish tradition which teaches the deepest insights into the essence of God's interaction with the world and the purpose of creation. Kabbalah is integral to all other Torah disciplines. Sometimes called the inner Torah or the wisdom of truth, it offers a comprehensive overall structure and plan for the universe, as well as a detailed understanding of the particulars of our lives. Etienne led us to a rooftop overlooking the valley below that has a cemetery and a view of Mount Meron in the distance, which is 4,000 feet above sea level. From the roof, I took the opportunity to fly my drone. Before traveling to Israel, I applied for and was granted a tourist permit from the Israel Drone Organization. We're actually in this view of Tzfat. Can you spot us? Tzfat is also known as an artist colony, and much of the art can be found for sale on this street. We spent just a few hours in Tzfat, but it was well worth the trip up to it from the Sea of Galilee. I'll post a link to Eitan's website in the comments section below. He's an excellent and very flexible Israel guide, and we highly recommend him. Thanks for watching. Please click the like button and consider subscribing. Shalom from Lori and Steve.